Okay, so hope you guys are claiming your Node Pay. I started this account the same day you guys started, and hope you are claiming your mission. When the money comes out, you would know that this is not just for play. All right, so now you can do something else. Go to your Apple Store, your Play Store, download OKX. Once it's done downloading, click on open. And if you already have the application, you can just skip that part. Come to open your OKX. Then right here, make sure you are on wallet, not on exchange. Make sure you're on wallet. Now right here, in case you don't have an account, create an account. And if you do have an account, just select that account. You can select the account right here. Just select the one you want to make use of. Now what you need to do next is to go to your WhatsApp or the YouTube description, then click on discover, then go right here, click on this particular faucet chain link. The website is faucets chain links. So right here you would see it's because I've already linked my wallet. So right here, just click on MetaMask. Okay, so just click on next, click on continue, then continue with paste. Make sure you paste your wallet there. Now if you don't already have a GitHub account, just create one, but if you do, just log in your GitHub. Finally. But if you don't have an account, just go through the steps. All right, so we're done with that. Let's now go back to where we were. Let's go back to, just come back to the, click on this, then go back to that particular link and start again. So once it's, then you would click on this icon that is loading, paste your wallet first. Now click on verify that you're human. Now continue with GitHub. Okay, so authorize. Then it should be done right now. Oh, it's asking again for another permission for a third-party access. Just give it the permission it needs. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, so this is the permission it needs. Just click on visit. Just for security reasons, that's why it's asking you to permit a third-party access to your GitHub. So just give it the access and continue going with it. Okay, so I think we've given it access right now. So let's just go back to our OKX. We are still on this particular page, so click on verify that you're human again. Then you can see get token. So it's because we are just creating an account for the first time and everything. That is why we went through that step. So basically, if you don't already have a GitHub account, just create a new GitHub account and link this particular website to that GitHub to be able to claim faucet. Okay, so it will just load up like this. You can see the first one is successful and the second one is not successful. So that is what you're going to do. This is like the first step. Now after this, you would now need to go to this particular website, which is like the second step and what we actually want to do. You go to this website right here. So just go back to the WhatsApp or YouTube video description, then paste this particular website. Yes, click that you confirm. So let it just load up. Let's do that again. Confirm. I don't know why it's stuck at that particular page, but let's just confirm. It's still stuck. So what you can just do is just open another tab if it's stuck like that and paste it. Now let's go there, visit external sites, confirm. Okay, so now it's going. So what we just do there is just open another tab. Now what we do here is to connect your wallet first. Make sure your wallet is connected. Click on OKX. Now connected, confirm. And now I think we've connected our wallets. The first thing you need to do is, you can see there are 8 steps, although they finished step 1, which some other steps have expired. So just click on claim since you've connected your wallet, and that is the first step. Now the second step, claim OG reward, has already expired because phase 1 of this particular project has expired. Claim early bird reward, that was also expired. We're no longer an early bird. Now the next step is to mint ICN testnet password. So click on this mint ICN testnet password, the one up, not the one check ICN passport. So just click on mint ICN passport. It will take you to this particular page where you'll be asked to link your wallet again. So just click on OKX again, just to link your wallet. Now what you would be doing at this particular step is to, I think your wallet is already linked right now, so just click on get, claim testnet passport, and click on claim. We've already claimed Sapodia, so which was the first step, so that's why we're able to carry out this transaction. Assume we didn't do that first step of claiming Sapodia, they won't be able to do this particular step. So just wait for it to process and confirm the transaction. So the transaction is successful. Click on cancel. Now what you need to do next is to click on this delegate. So click on delegate. Now to be able to delegate, you need to open another wallet account. So what you do here is, before carrying out this particular task, click on this, which is the icon at the top, the one that has the OKX icon below my battery percentage. Just click on that. I already have some accounts here that I've opened. So okay, since you guys haven't also opened another account, let's do this. First cancel this. Now go back to your OKX, switch to desktop mode, get reminder, share. Okay, so let's go back to the home page and let's come here. Now what we'll be doing here is we'll open another wallet account. So just click on add wallet. That's another, like a second wallet account. Now click on create wallet. Then it will ask you to back it up or manually back it up. I'll just use cloud backup. It's much faster to just use that than going through the stress of using other things. So I've opened another wallet, which is wallet D account. Now what I'll do is copy this particular wallet. I'll copy the Ethereum wallet. So that I've copied. Now let's go back to that particular website. You go back to discover, click on the app. Then right here you see Testnet, or you just see it in your history though. So click on that. Or better still, you can also click on this menu bar at the bottom. Click on that box to go back to the exact page we were before. So now click on delegate. Paste that new wallet, the new one, not the old one. Paste the new one, then confirm transaction. Now because we've claimed this Apolia, that's why we're able to do this again. That's for the first wallet. Now that you've delegated this to this particular account, just wait for it, pending transaction, waiting for pending transaction to this particular account. Just wait for it to complete. Now transaction is confirmed, and yes, success. Now the next thing to do right here is to click on this download on software. Click on download on software, agree to the terms and condition. Now make sure you copy this particular code. Copy the code, not the, you can see when I clicked on Windows, it shows this particular one. But we are not using Windows, we are using Mac or Linux. So you copy it, then you just come to your open your notes or your WhatsApp. Now paste it in your notes, that particular code, paste it in your notes. Now go back to OKX, click on cancel. Now you can, once you've done this, go back to that particular website. Right here you can see all the steps. We've done the check we've done the minting of ICN testnet passport. So you can click on check for, then you can see it has gone, then you can claim it. Now the one we later did is to delegate the ICN, so you can click on delegate. You can see we've done that as well. We're claiming. Now we have downloaded the download the on application. If we click on this, it won't go through because we've not done something yet. Now in order to be able to claim this download on application, install on application, and run on application, which are what are left, you would need to watch the next video. Now go back to your home page, click on home. Now in order to send me that particular code that you've copied, you need to click on this account. Just click on any of those accounts, which is this Privatekey account. It might not be Privatekey, your own might be wallet one account, or wallet one then dash and the number at the top. Just click on it, scroll down to the bottom, you would see the new wallet that I just created is wallet D. In your own case, it might be wallet A and wallet B. Now wallet A is the one we first created and we claim Sapolia on, while wallet B is the one we delegate the Sapolia to. Now what we are doing here is we want to copy the private key. So click on manage wallet right at the top there. You see it at the top there. Now click on this wallet. In your own case is wallet B, in my own case is wallet D. You would see 3 dots in front of account 01. Click on those 3 dots, then you would see private key. Click on the private key, then click on private key. Oh, I think I have to click on I understand in the 3 places. So let's just click on I understand backup wallet. So I've already backed up the wallet, that's why I'm not having any issue there. So now this is just click on Ethereum network. Click on Ethereum network. You would always see that it's going to like hide the Ethereum private key. Now you don't need to, I won't be exposing my own Ethereum private key right here. Just click on copy, click on I understand. So I've copied it like that. Now go back to that particular notes or what you pasted here. Around this side, just paste your wallet. Now this particular stuff, everything like this is what you would copy and use for the next video. Now after doing what is in the next video by using your Linux, you would need to go back to that website and claim the rest. Claiming the rest means you come back to OKX, you come back here to discover. So I'm done doing what I said I would do. So I'm coming back to my OKX. Let me show you right from the beginning. Search for OKX. So here's my OKX. So you go back to your OKX, wait for like 5 minutes max, and go to discover. Now go to the website again, which is Impossible Cloud Network, testnet.icn global. So once it's open, just scroll down to the bottom where you would see account on activities, download on app. So click on check on activities. Then you should get like a prompt to claim it. Let's check again. I should get a prompt to claim it because it has already shown that I can claim it. So I think because I'm having a low battery and a slow internet right now. So let me plug my phone.
Charging.
Let me click on check on activity for the next one as well. I think I'm having slow internet also. Okay, let's just reload this particular page. Now let's go down to claim. You can see now I can claim. I think it was just network issue the other time. Then click on activities here as well. Check on activities. It's still like network issue. So, or maybe the website is having issue. Either of the two. So if we reload the page again, let's click on check. Okay, so now let's reload. In case you are facing all these issues, I wasn't facing all these issues the first time I did it though. So just click on claim reward. So now this one has gone as well. I think the website is having issue with mobile applications because we are using a mobile phone, that's why. But when I use the system, it all went smoothly. So it's also checking right now if I'm running it, if I'm running what I'm supposed to run, or if you are running what you're supposed to run, which I've helped you done though. So I know you guys don't have a system, that's why I'm doing this for you. So let's just reload the page. Let's click on check. Okay, so now claim. Okay, so we've claimed everything apart from the one that are coming soon. So any of you can keep checking the website for, there are still 2 more tasks to be done. So you can be checking the website as well from your own end. I might not be the one to remind you. I might not even remember to remind you once I've done mine. But I've helped you with what I'm supposed to help you with. So the next one, looking at this icon right there, it looks like it's going to be follow us on X or something. So you just follow them on, do the rest of the tasks. So that is it. We've claimed everything here. All right. So that's basically it.